Yes, students have raised their hand. Yes, I'll ask this question to Shravani. Yes, Shravani.
Yes, ma'am. Answer is Rift Valley.
Yes. The Great Rift Valley. Wait, I'll share this. Yes, Shravani, you gave the correct answer for the Great Rift Valley. Answer is Rift Valley. You are going to write the answer in front of the Great Rift Valley only. Yes, you are not going to match like this how I am showing it. It's a wrong way that you're if you match the pairs over there. You have to write the answer in front of the question only. Good. The second is Alps. Third is Black Forest Mountain. For the Alps, yes. I think who is ready to give the answer? Yes. Ritesh Sharma.
Ma'am, answer is
Yes.
Block
The
Mountain.
Alps. Which one? Which one? Wait, 1 minute. I will share the screen with you. Yes, this one. Answer the second one. The Alps is the example of which mountain? Fold or block mountain? Okay.
Fold Mountain.
Yes, your answer is correct. Fold mountain is the example, is the correct answer. Then for Black Forest mountain,
Block Mountain.
block mountain. Very good. Good one. So students have done their work. Good students. We'll move on to the next one. Yes. Question number 2. First, we have studied match the pairs. Yes. Please mute your mic. Yes, thank you. For question number 2, we have studied match the correct pairs. Then, next will be arrange the following statements in chronological order in which an earthquake occurs. This for question number 2, you will get match the pairs or identify the odd man out or arrange in correct sequence. So this is the example of one of the for the question number 2. So here you have to read the question properly here, and in the correct sequence you have to write it down. But here you are not going to write that if see here on your screen you can see the earth's surface vibrates, the plate suddenly move. In front of they have given here serial numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, fine. As an answer you are not going to write like this, huh? For see the first sequence, the first earthquake occurs when the first movement is done, that is the plate suddenly move. Some students what they do, they write the answer like 2, they'll put the comma, then 3. Yes, in this way you are not going to write the answer. This is the correct way to write the answer. Okay, again you have to write the sentences properly with its correct sequence. So don't make use of writing the numbers only. Along with the numbers, write the full statement. Yes. For this also, weightage of marks are same. That is 4 marks for it. Yes. This type of question may come for question number 2. Then next is identify the odd man out. Identify the odd man out. For question number 2 only, this type of question is there. Marks are same. See, for question number 2, they will give you 4 things. Yes, you just have to identify the different one. And as an answer, you are going to write like this. Yes. They have not asked you all to write the reason why this it is odd man out. So no need to write the reason over there. Only just put on the answer. Yes, which you can see on your screen. Here also you have to attempt all 4. There is no option for it. Then yes. Next, for question number 2 only, same question. Here, identify and name the internal movements. Most of the questions for question number 2 may come as a identify the type of sentence, identify name the internal movements. The questions which are related or with goes with the identity, it may come for question number 2. Yes. Then for this also you have to put the question number properly, and in answer you are going to write this sudden movement, whatever your answer will be there. Yes. In this way also, in this type of question, that is identify question, you will study, you will go through it. Okay. Yes. One more. Now here, identify the same question or same type of question you can see. Identify and write the type of trade. Now here, let's have a question and answer session. Yes. Now here you have to identify the type of trade. As we have studied this lesson, student. So as a revision, as a practice, we are going to go through all the questions. 4 questions are there in front of you all. Read the question properly and raise up your hand, those who know the answer. Yes, you have to identify the type of trade. Type of trades means what? Type of trades are domestic trade, international trade, yes. Type of trade are retail trade, domestic, international, and wholesale trade. So these are the 4 types of trade which you are going to go through the question, and then you have to identify the trade. Main trade, it is internal and external, but they have given the statement about in detail they have given. So you have to identify the trade about retail, domestic, international, and wholesale trade. Yes. Now for this, yes, please go through the questions now. Yes, yes, already students, their hands are raised. Good one. I'll start from down. I think Asta Singh.
Teacher, answer is retail trade.
Yes. The first question is, let's discuss. Shrusti, Sushti brought sugar from the grocery shop. So which trade you said? Retail trade. Very good. Retail trade means what? In our area, the shop is there in our area, and which we can easily go there and we can collect our things over there. So this type of trade is retail trade. Good, Asta. Good one. Then next. Next question I would like to ask. Yes, here today I can find new students. Good. Alok. Yes. Alok went, I think so. Shailesh Yadav.
Domestic trade.
1 minute. Shailesh Yadav, no? Yes. Second one, he gave the answer about the domestic trade. The traders from Surat bought cotton from the farmers of Maharashtra. So this trade is about domestic trade. Domestic trade means what? Domestic trade means the trading is done in one state only. Yes, from it takes place between different regions within the same country. Country is same, but the regions are different. That is known as the domestic trade. Your answer is correct. This one is done. And second one is also done. Then third one, Samir has exported pomegranates from his farm to Australia. So for this question, who is ready to give the answer? Yes, total 17 students has raised their hands. Good. So here I would like to ask the question to Shahid Sheikh. Yes, Shahid Sheikh, would you like to give the answer? Okay.
International trade.
Yes, Shahid Sheikh gave the correct answer. Samir has exported pomegranates from his farm to Australia. This trade goes with the international trade. Yes, why international trade? Because international trade it is as opposite to the domestic trade, and it is trading is done in the other country. Yes, to the other countries. Good. Then next one, last one it is. Third one is also done. Fourth one, Raju bought 10 sacks of wheat and 5 sacks of rice from market yard for selling in his own shop. Yes. Fourth one, fourth one is yes, Sakshi Moria.
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Wholesale
miss.
trade it is.
Wholesale trade.
Yes. Which trade?
Wholesale trade.
Wholesale trade. Good. I think Sakshi gave the correct answer. Good. Yes. Yes. Fourth question was Raju bought 10 sacks of wheat and 5. At a time, he is taking the product in a bulk. Yes, from the market yard. And if we are going to collect the any things in a very large quantity, in a very bulk quantity, so where you will get it, it is the wholesale market. So this type of trade goes with the wholesale trade. Very good. All the students have all the students gave the correct answer. Yes. Now next is evaluation part. We are going to see and we are going to evaluate question 1 and question number 2. Yes. See here. Question 1 is choose the correct alternative and rewrite the sentences. Now, in which way I ask you all the question to be written in your question paper, in same way you are going to give me the answer. Yes. See the first one. Everyone, please read the first question. On which of the following are slow movements in the Earth's interior dependent? Options are landforms, velocity, and directions. So this is the question. Yes. Yes. Anis, answer question 1 in a proper way. You want to see the
Miss
question?
direction.
Yes. Yes. Now you can answer the question.
Direction, miss.
Yes, this first question you have to answer. Anis, no?
Direction, miss.
First one.
Direction.
No. First one, your see, on which of the following are slow movements in the Earth interior depend? Answer is velocity. According to the due to the velocity, the slow movements in the Earth interior is dependent. Okay, but how you're going to write the answer in your paper? You're going to write first, you're going to write the question over there, and as an answer, you're going to write velocity. Okay. Then, second one, if the counters are close to one another, the slope is dash gentle, steep, or uniform. Yes, Priyanshu. Priyanshu.
Yes, ma'am.
Give the 1 minute. I will see this one. Second one. Second, give the second question. Give the answer. If the counters are close to one another, the slope is dash. Yes, you know the answer.
Gentle.
Gentle. No, you can try it one more time. Gentle. Wait. Any other student would like to give the answer? Yes.
Yes, miss.
Once.
Miss, can
Yes.
you the question?
1 minute. Huh? Yes.
Yes, miss. The answer is uniform.
No. Yours. See the for the question number 2, answer is steep. Okay, if this question is from chapter number 1 about the distributional of maps. Okay, so here for question number 1, so in please in which way, in how you're going to write the answer, can you tell me?
Miss, first we have to write the sentence and then answer.
Yes, just say it. Read the question.
If the counters are close to one another, the slope is steep.
Yes, very good. And our question answer is steep. You have to underline it. Good one. So this was about the question 1 and question 2. Then we are going to move to the question number 3. Question number 3. Certainty of dash rainfall is very high. For this, who is ready to give the answer? Yes, Samina. Okay, Rehan Sheikh. Which
Yes,
type?
teacher.
Yes. Which type of rainfall is there? The certainty of the rainfall is very high.
Orographic. Orographic.
Yes, chorography, acid rain or convectional rainfall.
Rainfall is very high.
Answer for it is convectional certainty of convectional rainfall is very high. In this way you are going to write the answer. Then for question number 4, frozen water droplets stuck to the surface of cold water due to less than 0 degree temperature is known as, it is frost, snowfall or hailstone. Means at very 0 degree Celsius, the temperature is 0 and the water is frozen over there, water droplets. So it is known as which? Frost, snowfall or hailstones?
Teacher, can I tell?
Yes. Actually, your voice is not clear, Rehan. Yes, Srinivas. Okay, Sakshi Maurya.
Yes, Miss, the answer is snowfall.
No, they are not. See the question properly about the frozen water droplets they are talking, not the snowfall. Snowfall is a wrong answer. And the cold objects, about the cold objects, the answer for it is frost. Frost is known when the water droplets are frozen over there. And why? Because of the 0 degree temperature. Okay, then number 5th one, the dash region has the uniform temperature of the sea at both surface as well as at the depth. Means which region here the temperature is uniform over there of the sea and at both the surface as well as in the depth also. Yes, which type of region you will see there? Yes, polar region, landlocked or salinity. See, to this option, it doesn't goes with it. Landlocked seas means with the land or any area which is covered with the uh, big mountains, and salinity, it's a saline of the sea, saltness. So this two option, it doesn't go with it. So correct answer is the polar. The polar region has the uniform temperature of the sea at both surface as well as at the depth also. So this was the questions about the choose the correct alternative throughout the from the whole 12 chapters. We have done only the 5 1. So I request all the students for from chapter 1 to chapter 12, learn all the alternative options, choose the correct alternative options, and daily please go through it. Okay. Next is match the columns. Yes. See the group A and group, you can see group A and group B. This is the question is in tabular form. So in this, you are going to write the answer in front of this. Okay. Dot method goes with the yes. Yes. Govind, you would like to give the answer? This is the last question. Okay. I think Kushi. Yes, Kushi. Kushi.
Yes, Miss. Miss.
Kushi, would you like to give the match the pairs?
Yes, Miss.
All three answers?
First dot method का Miss.
Yes. In the dot method. In the dot method, what is used over there? Options are given over there. In the types of map, there's a one type. These methods are used in the maps. So here, for the dot method, which pairs goes with the correct one? Okay, I think she's not ready. Yes. Yes, Govind. Govind or Ansari.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, and yes, answer this.
Yes, teacher.
For dot method.
Teacher, first dot method का है B, use of dots. Second का
Poropleth
C
method.
है.
Yes, use of
Third method का C है.
yes.
Colors.
Good, correct. So she
Third
gave
का
all the
method.
yes, correct. You gave all the three answers. Good one.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Then in front of this, you're going to write the answer properly over there without any spelling mistakes. Yes. So this was yes. For next question is again the match the columns only with the correct pairs. You are going to solve it in your notebook, and please go through all the objective type questions from question number 1 and 2. Write it down from chapter 1 to chapter till 12. So it will be easily you can study with it and daily go through all the objectives. So you can score here full marks for question 1 and question 2.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So student, thank you for listening and giving me the right answers, everyone. Yes, those who have done revision, they have given the correct answers. So thank you for listening. So we'll meet for the next lecture. Thank you. Yes, Almas ma'am, that's it for today's session.
Yes, Pradna ma'am. Yes. Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.